Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you are new in my channel, you are very much welcome. I do appreciate you. Feel at home. I'm back with another video, and today's video is about me organizing my makeup. I finally think it's time, guys. I am in a total mess. Yani, it's just crazy. So I just decided, why not share with my YouTube family? So welcome, and let's do this. So guys, let me just start by showing you how messy this place is. Look, actually this is my this is my traveling bag. This is where I put my makeup. It's nothing special, it's just a very simple bag that I put. Just, yeah, I'm not organized when it comes to that, so I just throw things inside and I go. This is how these bags look like when I travel. I know this is not the way to go, it is not good, but very soon I'm gonna get a better solution. And actually I've been so lazy. When I came back from holidays, I just left the things inside, and I've been walking in the house, around the house with this car bag, and I just I do my makeup everywhere. I don't like that, so that is why I thought this is high time to change this. It's even dirty, and it's just, yeah, as you know, makeup can be so messy. This is how this place is looking like. This is my dressing cabinet. You see, it's kind of empty because I removed everything. Yeah, and here, this is how it looks like. Yeah, I have these organizers, makeup organizers that I got from IKEA. I've been having them for quite a long time now. I always want to change, but somehow I have not come to the changing. This is how this place is looking like. Dirty, as you can see, really dirty. This area here seems to be a little bit clean because, yep, I don't put any powders here and so on, because powder can really be messy. So let's do this. I'm just going to remove everything, clean this place first of all, and then we organize. Get ready. This is gonna be a long video. So first of all, I'm just going to remove everything from this bag so that I can just at least a little bit have an overview of all what I have and how I want to organize them back to their original places. So I'm just going to place everything here just to make sure that I got enough space, you know, all the brushes, maybe all the brushes together. And just bring a little bit of life in my makeup. Maybe I will get an interest of doing my makeup properly again. Yep, that is what we are going to do right now. Oops, sorry if I'm too loud. Goodness, I'm even ashamed of myself. How can I be so chaotic? Well, it's a shame, it's a shame, it's a shame. Look, they are so dirty. They need some cleaning, better cleaning. It's just terrible. But anyway, we are going to clean the brushes another day. We are going to clean brushes another day. So, because this can't be. It's just crazy. There's even money, pencils, and everything. So this is empty. This is the bag. Actually, this bag is from Estee Lauder. They always have a great offer on Christmas, and that is when I got this. An amazing small bag, makeup bag, leather bag. Actually, very pretty. Some people even carry it just like some handbag. No, I don't do that. So that's it. And then I'm going to do this step by step. I remove these. And just look at this. Look at this mess. This is just incredibly a mess. Do you guys know this? Do you know this? We make to, when you are trying to, you know, you are trying to make those, how do you call them? Those African curls, you know, but my hair is too long now. I can't even use it. Yep. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Remove them. Well, I just have just normal water with some cleaning detergent that you can use to clean. All-purpose detergent is what I have here. I just put a little bit, and now, yeah, nothing is special because the cabinets are not special. They don't really necessarily need special cleaning in that matter. That's it. And here I normally have my eyeshadow palettes and so on. So I will start with the big ones, and then, because they are also very dirty, I'm also going to just wipe them. Just wipe them, just to make sure at least they're presentable, you know, they look presentable, because for real it has been a mess. My favorite palette, yeah. Likely I don't even use them as much. Yeah, you can see some of them are still full, and just any other nuts and taste, so that at least when I like a product, I always keep the paper, so that yeah, if I'm interested to buy, I can still check on the number and the exact name of the. And then comes my makeup sponge. I'm not that fan of a makeup sponge, that's why you see I don't really have that much, and they need some cleaning as well. And then of course, just in case when I'm doing my makeup you want to correct something, and you can still do that. Why I'm saying this is not so practical is because actually I could remove this. You see how hard it is. I could just use all this space again for other stuff, but that means if I do that, I always have to remove this first for me to be able to use. So as I said, it's not the best vanity when it comes to organizing, but at the moment I'm happy with it, or else I am going to look for a solution of this. So get something that is really just fit this vanity and works for it. That's it. The next cabinet, you just have two cabinets. Here are my foundation, just all type of foundations. This is actually empty, as you can see. I've just keep it because I need the number. I always, so you could say make a picture, but when I take a picture, after sometimes I delete them, so I prefer just to keep the bottle until I get the next one, unless I didn't like the foundation, so I throw away the bottle. That's it. And if it's from MAC, anyway, you keep it, and I think after you have 5 empty bottles or empty containers, you get, I think, 10% or something. I don't know, I don't remember. And then here are just my these are my primers. I love this primer, it is amazing. It's a very amazing product. I love the bottle. Yeah, and then again primers and foundation. I get very dark in summer, so I always have to go a shade darker. And then here are all my powders and blushes and yeah, so on. Yeah, and then over here we got the eyeshadow palette, and so on. Eyeshadow palette, nothing special in particular. That's pretty much it, guys. That is pretty much it for this vanity. This is how it looks like when Priscilla finally decides to do the right thing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you got inspired in some way. And don't forget to come back. See you in my next one. Bye, guys. Bye.